Okay, so as none of you knew, it was my birthday like last month, and I decided to order myself some more Bendy figures. If you didn't see part one, it was these two. Alice I got before I did part one. Yeah, because these guys on Amazon in the UAE, but I found a different website. So yeah. Okay, let's start off with the main man himself, then Bendy. All right, so just like taking a look at the box. I'm not sure if this like things though. I'm just gonna. No, I think the box has just got damaged in the shipping because these guys came from the USA. This Bendy at least, he came from Wave 3, which is like the cartoon themed wave, and so is 4, but like 4 just like came out like a month ago. It comes with the can you even call that a horse? And he comes with this projector thing. Like, I don't know if these guys come with a backdrop, because like the actual like Dark Revival characters do. But this guy, he comes with the projector thing. It's like the toy where you put your eye and it shows you it's Bendy. And then the bottom of the box is just boring, so let's just open these guys already. Alright, can't remember if I forgot the scissors in the other video, but I've got scissors now. There we go. Yeah. Wait, there's... No, okay, there's the rocking horse. Doesn't really look like a horse, I guess. Oh my god, it rocks! Here's the projector. So at first I kind of thought it didn't work, but you gotta like do it really fast for the like the thing to be seen. Like the boar is sleeping. I mean, this is a cool feature, I guess. Kind of gets boring after like 15 seconds. Anyways, let's actually move on to the figure now. Okay, so here's like the main man himself, Bendy. The articulation is again phenomenal. For some reason he has like the hole in his foot for like a stand, so maybe like they'll release a separate stand for these guys. Maybe, I don't know, probably not. But like compare this to the Fat Mojo one, which I do not even know where they are right now. Like I would have done the same with Sammy, but like I have no idea where them things are right now at my house. This is like 10 times better. Like something about this face that makes him more accurate, to be honest. And like it's transparent for his neck, because like Bendy doesn't really have a neck, does he? This guy's really fat. I can't get him to flipping stand. But it's really simple. I like it, the little details on the bow tie. Nice. Let's move on to the next figure. Okay, it's time for everyone's favourite Bendy character, Hula Bendy. It was just Bendy dancing. It was kind of nice, I guess. But honestly, he came with a bacon soup. This is beautiful. The detailing on this is like crazy. Such a tiny toy as well. Also, I don't like calling these guys toys, they're action figures. Let's pop them up. Okay, so here's Hula Bendy. Why did Jack Specific make this? But more importantly, why the hell did I buy it? It's Bendy with a skirt on, and the flipping like head thing comes straight off. I mean, bacon soup and cute dancing Bendy type animation thing, I guess. Yay. It's time for Boris. For the accessory, Boris came with a picnic basket. Let's see if it can fit on his head. It's inaccurate, guys. He just looks like an idiot now. Okay, for the figure itself, Boris has really good articulation, but his legs, not really that much. His entire flipping waist can turn. It's hard doing it one hand. His head, I think, can move. I'm being really careful because the other Boris figure I had, the Fat Mojo one's fine. The Tom head snapped off when I took it out the box. And then like a different type of Boris figure, his head snapped off, so I'm just trying to be careful. It's a really good figure though. It's pretty simple. Audrey kind of felt weird, like not just flopping them out the box. Oh, this thing like Boris, but like, you know, I gotta keep them separate, like different. Okay, so here's Audrey. I'm gonna be honest, this is probably like the worst figures I have so far. I mean, it's not as bad as the flipping Jack specific. It's not a bad figure in general. Maybe it's just because it's human. But like, there's not a lot of detail on her. And her arms don't fold all the way, so she's like a bit stiff. I mean, it's not bad. It's a good figure for Audrey. It's just, I mean, these guys don't really have a lot of detail, but they're meant not to. Audrey kind of did to the, oh my god, they don't even have the like hand swirl on her. That's not good. But then again, this is like the first ever figure they made, so I'm not being too harsh. Yeah, what the hell is a flipping blue on the leg? Okay, so mine, Audrey, came with blue tack on the leg. Okay. Here's the gem pipe. I think Fat Mojo's was like the first upgrade. This is just the normal one, which is kind of like nicer. Okay, here's Audrey. There's just something really off about this figure. I can't put my finger on it. Also, I find it really funny how the backdrops come in this piece of paper. It's like you order a Lego set off eBay or something and the instructions come out in the flipping like piece of paper. What the hell is this? Okay, I did the like folding thing. It was easier than the cycle breaker. Okay, here's Audrey with the backdrop. Honestly, Piper's probably like the one I've been the most excited for. Just because of like how flipping cool this guy looks. I've always had a soft spot for this guy ever since Dark Revival came out. Like, I was gonna buy the Funko Pop, but like just as I bought it, it went out of stock off Amazon, which is a shame. It's got like the suit, like from Charlie. It's got a big open mouth. Look at, wait, yeah, can't really tell, but like there's a lot of detail in the mouth. His eyes like really shine. Got like his organs hanging out, the bone on coming out of his arms really well. And then his like is like, I can't call it a foot, can I? Because like in the first game it's a plunger. I don't even know what this is now. Here's the gem pipe. I'm gonna be honest, I can't really tell if it's a gem pipe or not, but like, it looks like the thing he uses in the game. Honestly, this is probably my favourite figure out of the 5. And all of them in general by Jack specific. Here he is with the backdrop, the Little Miracle Station. Okay, so, okay, Boris isn't staying. We're trying to get him in a French Guild position. But, yeah, this is part 2 of the figure review. Thanks for watching.